So Claude just announced Claude Design. Let's see what it can actually do. Is it actually different from just using, an agent? So first thing that I noticed is that it's not only prototype, it's also like slide deck from template and some other stuff. We can see that it's not only about website designs, basically. I already created my project and I will just enter here. And the cool thing that I noticed here is that its goal is not just to create like a new design, but actually to act like a one place to keep all of your designs for your company and also do all of the generations. And even if it actually says that, hey, you can export your stuff to Canva. Actually, I feel like they're going to compete with Canva when it comes to this, because it can literally generate anything like slides, ads, social media posts, whatever you want. The first thing that I did is, here I have my app, Swabber, and I took a screenshot of my page and I just gave it to Claude Design and I told it, hey, like I want to add a place where my users can actually upvote and downvote and request new features, like a community page. One thing I noticed is that there's actually an import button here where you can grab web elements and then you move this to your favorites bar. And then let's say I go to my app or any other app where you want to grab elements. Anyway, I click. What happens is I get here this thing. And now as you can see, everything is selectable. So for example, let's see this logo. I will click copy. And here basically I can just paste it here. This was my first time actually trying this. I mean, it just launched 2 hours ago, and I guess you'll be able to save all of them here. So anyway, it finally created my page that I asked for before, the community roadmap. And let's see how it actually looks. So first of all, it did replicate my toolbar according to screenshot. But the most important part here is that it adds this thing called tweaks where it can actually change stuff and you can also update tweaks. For example, here as you can see, we can select colors, look at the logo and all the other colors like accent, orange, green, purple, gray. I can change the density, comfort, compact, and even actually I added ability to change theme. It wasn't here. And the way I added it is basically what I did is you just click comment. And if you want to add more tweaks, you click on the tweaks, add the toggle for dark mode, and then you just send it to Claude. So here as you can see was my comment, add the dark mode toggle to tweaks. And then it finishes this and then you can just go and be like dark, light. This is the main difference. Like you can literally add any tweaks. And if you click edit, there's actually more stuff here. For example, I can change the background. I can change fonts. I can change font size. So there's a lot of things that you can actually play with. But the actual cool stuff is that, okay, let me close this, right? Like I said, you can host here not only the page, but any design assets. So after this, I said that, hey, based on my landing page, swabber.io, create me 4 versions of ads I can run on X to get more customers. Ads should be authentic and not look like default ad. So yeah, as you can see, I didn't use it to create a web page, but actually ads. And let's see how it did. Open and boom. So it actually, it added the ads and also made it look like it's X. And even here, you have like dark mode, light mode, ad badge on and off. You can change the normal design or see it inside the frame. You can change the CTA, try free, get swabber, and so on. Like I said, it's going to compete with Canva, not only Canva, Figma, anything, any design tools. Check out swabber.io if you want to grow on X. Bye-bye.